This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Paul Ford, Realtors property video is presented by Mitman. A full acre on College Hill, with great views from all levels, including huge wraparound porch facing southeast. 3 fireplaces, natural woodwork, Cypress, refinished maple floors, slate roof, pocket doors, large original windows let in lots of light, fluted columns, many original light fixtures, restored kitchen, butler's pantry and bath, new furnace in 2003, security system, oversized 2-car garage, detached. Beautiful landscaping with perennials and mature plantings. At this price, this home cannot be duplicated. For more information, review the details below or contact Mitman at 610-253-6123.